Hi friends, welcome back to my channel or welcome if you are new here. I am Dr. Jayashree Ramana and in this space I talk about skincare, hair care and all other health and beauty related content. So if you love to watch such content, make sure you subscribe to my channel to be notified of my upcoming videos. Today I am going to share with you my hair care routine which many of you had requested for. It keeps on changing from different seasons to seasons and depending upon the condition of my scalp, whether it is oily or dry or if it's having dandruff, I keep switching between different products. What I'm going to share with you now is something that I have been using since the last 2 months and I hope to continue that during the rest of the winter season because it works pretty well for me. So without further ado, let's begin the video. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is my very favorite coconut oil. All through my childhood, I have grown up watching my grandmother and my mother applying coconut oil to their hair as well as to mine. And the brand that we all were using was this one from Parachute. And my granny had really long and silky smooth hair. So we all used to use this Parachute, but now that I have done my own share of research about the qualities of different products, so I love to use the virgin coconut oil, and the brand that I am using these days is this one from Max Care Virgin Coconut Oil. Now as you can see, this is all frozen right now, so you have to keep it in the sunlight to liquefy it before applying to your hair. You know, virgin coconut oil offers you the advantage of, because it's cold pressed, so it has more nutrients and antioxidants as compared to the other coconut oil that we purchase in the market, because it has not undergone any extraction process with the heat treatment. So all the essential fatty acids and antioxidants get preserved in their raw form, and therefore I prefer to use virgin coconut oil over any other quality of coconut oil. And now that it is all frozen, once I finish this bottle, I'm going to purchase another brand which I have used previously. That is the one from Organic India Coconut Oil. That's again another wonderful. It smells heavenly. It comes in a round bottle which is made of glass, so it's going to be much easier for me to scoop out the coconut oil from that during the winter season, and therefore once this is done, I'm going to purchase that one for sure. You can take whichever brand you prefer, but virgin coconut oil is like the real potion for your hair. And on days when I don't want to liquefy it, or I just want to have a light feel and don't want to go for this hot oil kind of treatment, I just apply this almond oil, and the brand that I trust is from Hamdard. It's called Hamdard Rogan Badam Shireen. It smells like almonds and I really trust this brand. The next product that I'm going to mention is my cleanser or my shampoo. Again an organic one, of course, because that's really important for me to use something which is free of toxins. So the one that I am using is Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo. The best part about this shampoo is that it does not have any kind of toxic chemicals. It's free of any kind of sulfates, phthalates, dyes, fragrances, parabens. There is nothing like that in this particular shampoo, and it has a very gentle cleanser which is called soap nut extract. You know, soap nut extract is Rita extract. How popular Rita is in our country for washing your hair, but if you use the Rita water directly on your hair, we do not get that result. Therefore, you need some kind of surfactants to be added to Rita in order to get all the goodness of Rita. So this one has all that goodness of Rita along with a few mild surfactants which form a little bit of leather, and it works very well to remove all the oil from my hair. I don't have to use any additional shampoos or cleanser to get all that oil out of my hair, because it becomes a really tough thing whenever you're using any natural organic shampoos. You know, they are good in composition, but when it comes to cleansing your hair of all that oil, most of them don't succeed, right? But this one definitely is not so disappointing. I mean, it's not disappointing at all. It works quite well, and it also has very mild preservatives like EcoSense 3000 and phenoxyethanol, and I have no questions about the composition of this product. On days when I do not apply oil, I just want to cleanse my hair of its natural oils, or if it just feels oily on its own, then I use this another hair cleanser which is from Forest Essentials. It's hair cleanser Bhringraj and Shikakai. So it's based on Rita, Amla, Shikakai and all the natural formulations like castor seed oil, hydrolyzed wheat, phytoceramide, Rita, coconut milk. So this does not have any kind of toxic ingredients as well, but it won't form any leather. It's not going to work for you if you have applied lots of coconut oil or almond oil to your hair. That's for sure. So don't take a chance, okay? The next product which I use after my shampoo is the conditioner or the hair mask, depending upon what I feel like doing. So once you apply this shampoo, you have to let it be there for 1 or 2 minutes and then just wash off with plain water, and do it very, very gently. You don't have to do like very harsh. Just like you are gentle to your skin, be gentle to your hair as well. Next product is the conditioner, and that's again a very natural one that I use. This is from Arata. It's based on maple, sugarcane and blueberry extracts. Again, I'm very happy with the composition of this one. It has all the natural ingredients and it doesn't strip my hair, it doesn't make it dry, it does not have any kind of alcohols and all of those toxic chemicals. It also has glycerin, so it helps to retain the moisture in your hair, and it works quite well for my hair. It makes my hair smooth, shiny and glossy. So this is what I use on my normal days, but sometimes when I want to give extra hydration to my hair, then I use a hair mask which is from Vela. Or if I have to attend a special event, then I use this product because it makes my hair really shiny. I mean the real gloss. So I absolutely love this product as well. And so once I apply the conditioner or the hair mask to my hair, I leave it on for almost 5 to 10 minutes, and then I do groove to some of my favorite tunes, like dance to some favorite song of mine. And then after that, after 10 minutes or so, I just wash it out of my hair in a very gentle manner so that all the product is removed and nothing remains. It's very important to ensure that there is no product buildup on your scalp, because otherwise it will cause dandruff, especially in the winter season. And once that is done, I just let my hair air dry. I don't use any kind of blow dryer or anything because I feel heat is bad for your hair. Of course, it's a different thing if you have to rush for your office or for any special occasion, but on general days I never use any blow dryer. Besides that, when my hair is washed off and it is still damp, I use another product. This is a serum from L'Oreal. It's called Liss Unlimited. It has a beautiful fragrance. Wow. And it works quite effectively on my hair. I don't apply it on my scalp, I just apply it on the shaft of my hair, and it makes my hair free of all kind of frizz, and that effect stays on for a few hours, and then again you can repeat on the same day. But if you are applying it on a day when you have not washed your hair, then just do some spray with water and then apply this product, because it's going to work better that way. Since this product is not very ideal in terms of composition, so I do not use it every day. I use it only when I have to go out or I have just washed my hair. So that's all about the hair care products that I use on my hair, and I use certain home remedies as well, but I'll discuss that on some other day. Besides all of this, I use a device on my hair, and I'll show you what that device is. So this is this portable high frequency device, and this is what it looks like. You can fix a comb here. It comes with 4 or 5 basic attachments. This is one of the attachments which is used for hair. You're supposed to sterilize this before you apply it on your hair, and after that you just plug it in. Can you hear this sound? I'm not sure whether you can see that light or not, but you can adjust the intensity of this high frequency, and after that you just have to massage it through your hair. If you're just a beginner, you can keep it to be low intensity, and then you have to massage it throughout your scalp. So this is supposed to enhance the circulation. So this is supposed to enhance the blood circulation in your hair, making sure that your hair grow much faster and much quicker. I'm not sure whether it really works for that purpose or not, but basically when I use it, it gives a very bouncy and shiny effect to my hair, and therefore I use it occasionally, like once or twice a week. Some people use even more than that, and you can try it as well, but again, there is no claim from my side about its efficacy for hair growth. I love it because of the bouncy effect that it generates on my hair, because of the static that it generates on my hair basically. And that's all about it. If you have any doubts or any questions, leave me a comment below and I will definitely respond to you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.